Hi, my name is Olga with Gem Accounting and Tax. At Gem Accounting and Tax, we are a full-service CPA firm that offers tax and accounting services primarily to organizations in early childhood education. Tax resolution means the process of working with issues that may come about from your IRS account. So for example, you may be an individual that hasn't filed their taxes in a number of years. So tax resolution is actually the process of getting you to file and be compliant by the IRS code. Tax resolution also could mean responding to the IRS notices. Some of you may have received notices in the mail and urging you to respond for certain items of income, or maybe there are taxes that you haven't paid, or maybe you're being levied, or you have liens on the account. That is what tax resolution is. It primarily just means dealing with the IRS questions that you may receive in the mail. So if you receive a notice from the IRS, the first thing I would say is open it. Open it and try your best to read and understand it. So a lot of people, when they receive notices from the IRS, they may panic and hide them in their underwear drawer or hide them from their spouse or whatever. Just open it and try and read and understand what the IRS is saying. If for some reason you don't understand it, I would urge you to work with a tax professional like myself. So what we'll do is walk you through that process. We'll even be in a position to represent you in the IRS. So that means we will be the ones talking to the IRS on your behalf. A lot of times this might need you to sign a power of attorney to give us that right to talk to the IRS, but that is primarily what tax resolution is. Responding to IRS queries, getting compliant, and making sure that after we've resolved the issue that you keep up with the compliance. Receive any letter from the IRS. Plus, first, do not panic. Just don't panic. Work with your professional. Work with your local CPA, or you can reach out to me. Let's make sure we are responding to those notices. A lot of times they come with a time limit, and these time limits are actually set by the IRS law. So you have to actually be compliant. So if you're told you have to file your taxes by the 15th or the 30th of a certain date, make sure you comply. A lot of times there may be exceptions, and we can help you navigate through that. So the most important thing is open that letter, reach out to your tax professional. Even if you felt that you couldn't afford to file the taxes and pay for the tax liability, go ahead and file, and then maybe you can negotiate with the IRS on how you're going to pay those taxes. But it's so important to be compliant when it comes to tax resolution. Again, thank you. And this is Olga. Thank you for your time. I'm with Gem Accounting and Tax. And like I mentioned, we are a full service CPA firm offering tax and accounting services.